Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain how to apply for a Barclaycard Rewards credit card. First, go to the Barclays website, scroll down, and click on Check Your Eligibility. You'll be asked a question to confirm your eligibility. Do you have a Barclay credit card or have you had one in the last 6 months? Just select yes or no. Next, fill in your personal information. In the About You section, enter your name, date of birth, gender, and nationality. In contact details, type your mobile number and email address. Under Keeping in Touch, Barclaycard may offer to send you updates and promotions. If you'd prefer not to receive them, simply tick the box to OPT out. Now, enter your current address. Remember, you must be a UK resident to apply. The next section is Work and Income. Here, you'll provide your employment status, your yearly income before tax, your monthly income after tax, any childcare or dependent expenses. Then, complete the monthly spend section. This helps Barclaycard assess affordability. After that, move on to bank details. Indicate whether your main account is with Barclays. And select your preferred repayment method. The easiest option is usually direct debit. Finally, complete the credit card use section. Choose your main reason for applying and confirm whether you plan to use the card for cash withdrawals or balance transfers. Once all sections are completed, click Continue to move on to the next step. And that's it. That's how you apply for the Barclaycard Rewards credit card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.